Welcome to my channel YGrim24.
Hi children, today I am going to tell you a story called A Tale of Friendship and Unity about a crow and a bird.
A crow and a bird lived in separate trees. The bird had laid eggs in her nest.
One day the bird went out in search of food. It was raining, so the bird did not return to the nest. While it was raining, a cat came by searching for something to eat. The crow, seeing the cat, gave it an idea to take the bird's eggs. The cat climbed the tree and ate the eggs. After the rain stopped and the sky cleared, the bird returned and found her nest empty. The crow told her that the cat had eaten the eggs. The bird cried bitterly. Another day, the crow laid eggs in its own nest. The cat came again, trying to take the crow's eggs. The cat climbed the tree to eat the crow's eggs. This time the bird shouted to warn the crow. The crow quickly came to protect its eggs. The crow and the bird worked together, pecking and flapping their wings to drive the cat away. From that day on, the crow and the bird became closer friends, learning to protect each other from harm. The moral of the story is, kindness and support can turn enemies into friends. It shows that even in difficult situations, helping others and standing up for what is right can lead to positive outcomes and unexpected friendships.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching.